1848 is about rebuilding the American dream, one life at a time. Why 1848? It was a turning point in history. The gold rush, labor rights, the first women's rights convention. It was a time of bold change and new opportunity. Today, staggering numbers of people are unemployed. Skilled jobs go unfilled. Poverty continues across generations. 1848 is tackling the skilled labor shortage with a fresh and hopeful approach. In collaboration with America's family, 1848 is leveraging the new dawn of agentic AI, reinventing trade education, building life skills, and providing mentorship through strong partnerships. Agentic AI will help us train an unskilled student to be a professional welder in less than 14 weeks. And by leveraging it for case management, we can increase capacity to tens of thousands of students, effortlessly. This isn't charity, it's transformation. We equip people with skills, connect them to purpose, and turn potential into productivity. Maria, James, Tanya, each went from homelessness to lasting careers and hope for the future. 1848 was a spark. Today, we're igniting a bonfire, a new workforce, a renewed hope, a rebuilt America, one life at a time.